seem to have a problem, don't we? What is this? Come here. Okay, now then, who has done this?
Oh, well, there's one shoe. Trash scattered throughout. Oh. What's that? Can you explain that? Did you do that, Zoe? Uh-huh.
Cooper, did you eat all of your treats? Cooper?
Who ate the cookies? Wilma, did you eat it because you're pregnant? Did you eat the cookies? Did you eat my cookies? Did you eat the cookies? Who got into this box? Who ate them? Who opened it? Wilma?
Fala pra mim. Quem fez essa bagunça no banheiro? Comeu a tampa do vaso. Quem que fez isso? Hein? Quem que fez?
Alright, well, apparently while I was out, somebody got into the kitty cat treats. Denver, did you do this? Denver, was this you? Denver, you won't look at me. Did you? What? Denver, did you do this?
Raider, did you do this? Did you do this, Raider? Did you do this? I wonder who did it.
Oh my God. Who did that? Who did that? Spike? Who did it? Who did it? Did you make that mess?
¿Eh? ¿Quién de los dos fue? ¿Quién hizo esto? Quiero saber. Mira cómo me dejaron la plantilla. ¿Quién fue? ¿Eh?
Deidre? Did you touch Congo? Did you touch this monkey? You have something to do with this monkey?
What did you do to this tissue? Tell me. What did you do? What did you do? What? Did you chew this up? What did you do?
You guys are so bad. Look at this. Want to see what they did? Okay. I walk in, first thing I see, poop. And then I say, oh, what are these chunks of it? Oh, okay. Now I see what it is.
Dude.
Who took the cookie off the counter?
Come here. Hey, you have a good day? Come here, you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Come here, Missy. Did you have a good day? Huh? Did you have a good day? Daddy loves you. You have a good day? But who tore my pants up, though? Oh, y'all don't want to talk about that? Y'all don't want to talk about that?